Hello, today I want to talk about the Taco Bell fight over Taco Tuesday. Taco Bell is challenging the federal trademark registration for Taco Tuesday, which is owned by Taco John's. Taco John's registered Taco Tuesday back in December of 1989, and they've used it continually since. And Taco Bell wants to have that registration canceled. I wrote a fairly extensive article on this. There's a link in the notes below if you want to read more about it. Today I just want to summarize the key points. Number one, trademarks are valuable. Why is Taco Bell concerned about Taco Tuesday, and why are they taking these steps to cancel that registration? Because they don't want that registration used against them, particularly in federal court. Taco Tuesday is not only registered, it's become incontestable. That can happen after a mark's been continuously used for 5 years, and an affidavit to that fact is submitted to the United States Patent and Trademark Office with the proper fees. The mark can become incontestable, and that gives the owner of the registration incredibly strong rights in court. And there's only a few ways in which the trademark can be challenged. So Taco Bell wants to wipe all of that out and have the United States Patent and Trademark Office cancel the Taco Tuesday registration. And the argument they are making is that Taco Tuesday has become generic. That it's just a common word or phrase that's now used by everybody, and it doesn't act as a trademark anymore. It doesn't indicate a single source for products or services. It's just become common language. That's their argument. That raises the second point. Trademarks can be lost through improper use. You always need to use your trademark as an adjective. Describing something, Apple computers, Xerox photocopy machines, never as a noun or a verb. And there's been a lot of very valuable trademarks lost because they were used improperly, because consumers and even the trademark owners used them as nouns and verbs. Some examples are linoleum, escalator, trampoline, all lost once valuable trademarks. So what do you do to avoid your trademark becoming generic? Well, that's the third point today. And that is, you always need to use it as an adjective. Never, ever use it as a verb or a noun. And if the consuming public starts using it as a verb or a noun, remind them that it is your trademark, that it should always be used as an adjective describing your types of products or services. That's being done right now by Lego. Lego's concerned that their very valuable trademark may become generic for these toy building bricks. And they have a campaign, they have a legal warning on their website that keeps reminding people how to properly use their trademark as an adjective. And then the fourth point today is that trademarks can be canceled. If you don't use them properly, if you're not careful with them, another company can come in and try and cancel your trademark registration. It's not easy, but it can be done, and it's done pretty regularly by companies who have an interest in clearing the path for using a word or words such as Taco Tuesday and not being sued for doing that. So quick takeaway, your trademarks are valuable. They're probably the most valuable asset that you have. They should be registered at the United States Patent and Trademark Office. And after 5 years of continued use, they definitely should be elevated to incontestable status. Give me a call at 248-433-7381, and we can set up a time to talk in more detail about your trademarks, how you ought to be using them, and what protections are available to really secure that incredibly valuable asset that you have in your business.